Hello kids, good afternoon. I hope all of you are well, isn't it? Yes? Okay, very good. So stay home, stay safe. Okay, stay home, stay safe and study from home also. It is your duty. Okay, you are not coming to school, so it is your duty to study at home, to study from home daily. Okay, watch the lectures daily and what your teacher told you to write, to copy in your notebook, that you have to copy. Okay, and do your homework regularly. Okay, daily whatever homework I and other teachers will give you, do your homework daily. Okay, I always tell you that don't keep your work pending. Okay, कि कल कर लेंगे. No, this is wrong. Okay, what is right, that जो आपको आज लिखवाया है, जो आज होमवर्क दिया है, that homework you have to do on that day only. Okay, so I am again here, your maths teacher, for teaching you maths. I hope all of you are doing maths, practicing maths, learning tables, learning number names. Okay, number names are very simple. Okay, now I hope all of you know the number names till 100. You know? Okay, very good. So learn the spellings of number names daily, learn your tables daily, revise your tables daily. Okay, so that you cannot forget it. आप भूलेंगे नहीं. You revise it daily ताकि आपको याद रहेगा. So that you remember all the things that you have studied, that you have learned. Okay. Now in our last lecture, what we have done, we have written number names till 100 and we have written tables also, the table of 2 and table of 3. So today we are doing new topic, we are starting new topic. So the name of the topic is counting on the abacus. What is our new topic? Counting on abacus. Counting on abacus. No need to write anything. When I tell you to write, at that time you write it. Otherwise you keep your notebook with you, you keep your book with you, keep your compass box with you. Okay, but don't write just now. What is our new topic today? Our new topic is counting on the abacus. Counting on the abacus. Counting on the abacus. Okay, you know what is the use of abacus? You know what is abacus? You know what is abacus? No? Yes, very good. Abacus is used for counting. Abacus is used for adding. Abacus is used for subtraction of numbers, addition of numbers. Abacus is used for multiplication of numbers, division of numbers. There are many operations which we apply, which we do with the help of abacus. Okay, so let me draw one abacus. Suppose, so is there any numbers written on the abacus? Is there any numbers written on the abacus? Yes or no? Have you seen the abacus? Yes, in school you have seen. So how you count on abacus? Abacus help you in counting. So how abacus help you in counting? It had beads. Beads means moti. It have beads inside its strings, and using that beads you count. Okay, those beads are there for counting. Okay, so abacus help you in addition. You know what is addition? Add, plus करते हैं ना? Okay, that addition, abacus is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers. Okay, so suppose this is abacus. So what is this? This is beads on abacus. What is this? This is beads on abacus. Again here I am drawing some beads. Okay, so the first line in the abacus, starting from the leftmost side, the first line on the abacus, that means the first part of the abacus is ones. Okay, the number of beads on this side on O side will give you the number at ones place. Okay, first part of abacus will give you the digit at ones place. Ones place पे कौन सी digit रहेगी, that will give you the first line of abacus. And the second part of abacus, the second line of abacus will give you the after ones which number, which place value will come, tens. So this will give you the digit at tens place. Okay, so let's start counting. What is, how many beads are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many beads are there on O, on ones place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I am writing here 8. Okay, now let's count how many beads are there on tens part, tens place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5. Now which number will form? The number form using abacus, using counting beads on abacus at ones place and tens place is 5, 8, 58. 5, 8, 58. Clear to all how to read the beads, how to count the beads on abacus and how to form a number using abacus. Okay, so there are some questions, some given on your book. So I am doing those questions on the board. So it is your duty to write with me. You have to copy those questions with me from the board and copy correctly. So what is your first part? What you do? What is your main thing? First of all, open new page in your notebook. Open, all of you. Open new page in your notebook, maths notebook. Open new page. Okay, open it. Open new page. And what is your second part? You have to write date. Okay, you have to write today's date here. Here write today's date. Okay, what is the date today? That you have to write here. Now write the heading of the today's topic. What is our today's topic? What is the heading of today's topic? Counting on the abacus. That you have to write on the first line of your notebook. Okay, just below the margin you have to write the heading. Counting on the abacus. Write COUN. CO. Write with me. COUNTING. Counting. Counting on the abacus. On THE, the counting on the abacus. ABACUS, abacus, counting on the abacus. First you write the heading on the top of your copy, on the top of your notebook, the new page of your notebook, that you have to write counting on the abacus. Counting on the abacus. Okay, write the topic, heading of the topic, counting on the abacus. Now what you have to do? You have to write questions. So leaving one box, what you have to do? You have to leave one box. Okay, so after writing the heading you have to leave one box and you have to write the question. So write the question from the board, copy the question from the board. Okay, write question 1. Question 1. Count the beads COUNT. Write with me, write correct in one time. abacus to find the number. To find, F-I-N-D, find the number. This is your question. Count the beads on the abacus to find the number. Copy the question first. First copy the correct question from the board, or the question is given in book also. What do you today? This topic is given on page number 42 in your maths book. Maths book, this topic is given on page number 42. If you are not able to copy from the board correctly, what you will do? You will copy the question given in the book. Okay? You can copy question from book also. You can copy question from book also. This question is given on page number 42. The first question, count the beads on the abacus to find the number. So what is the question? Count the beads. Count the beads. That means you have to count the number of beads on the abacus. The abacus is given and beads are also given in the abacus. So what you have to do? You have to count the number of beads, how many beads are given on the abacus, and according to number of beads, how many beads are given. After counting it, we have to find the number, that what number will form after counting the beads on the abacus. Okay, all of you have copied the question. Now first A. Okay, I will give you time to write, to copy from the board. So what is your first part? First you look at the board, don't write. When I tell you to write, that time you will write. So first to understand, okay, what I am explaining you. A. So this is abacus and beads are given. This is, its place value is O and its place value is T. O stands for ones. O stands for ones and this T stands for tens. So what you have to do? We have to count the number of beads given at, ones place first. So let's count how many beads are there on ones part. So how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Count with me again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. What you have to do? You have to write. You have to count the number of beads, and after counting, what you have to write? The number here. Okay. Now count how many beads are there at tens place. How many? 1 and 2. Count again. 1 and 2. So which number will come here? 2. Which number will come here? 2. So what is the number form here? The number form here is 24. What is the number form here? 24. Okay. 24. So what we will do? We will write the number name also. Okay. We will write the number name also. So the number form here is 24. 24. Now we will write its number name. So what is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 24. F-O-U-R. 4. 24. Copy this from the board. Copy A from the board. Then we will do the next question, B. First you copy A from the board. Copy A from the board. First you have to draw the abacus, okay, or take the help of your mama or your elder brother or sister who is sitting with you, or your father. So make them help to draw the abacus first, and this you write. Okay. 24. Now second. All of you have written? All of you have written? Okay, now see B. What you have to do? You have to do down. Don't write B part this side. Okay. What you have to do? You have to do the B here only. Just here. Okay. I don't have space here. That is why I am writing here. Okay. You don't write two questions on same side. You write down. So B. First, draw the abacus. And draw the number of beads. And how many this side? Okay. Now, this is T, tens, and this is O, ones. Now, let's see which number we form here. Okay. Yes. All of you have done A? Okay, now do B with me. First, we count the number of beads on the one side. Okay, we always start counting from one side. Which side? One side. Okay, never count the tenth side first. No, always we start counting first from one side. So, let us count how many beads are there at one side. 1, 2, 3. Again count with me. 1, 2, 3. How many beads are there? 3. So, write here 3. Okay. Now, next part is to count the number of beads at tens side. Let's count how many beads are there at tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tell me which number is formed. Which number is formed? 5, 3, 53. 5, 3, 53. Now let us write its number name also. Tell me what is the spelling of 50? What is the spelling of 50? F-I-F. Very good. F-I-F-T-Y. 53. T-H-R-E-E-3. 53. Copy these two questions correctly from the board. A and B. Okay, the next question. C. What is our next question? C. First, let's draw the abacus. T and O. T is stands for tens and O for ones. This is the question C. This is question C. Okay. So, what is the first step? What is our first step? Our first step is to count the beads that is given on abacus. But from which side we count first? What is the first side? Which is the first side? We count first. We start from ones place. We start counting from ones place. So let's count how many beads are there at ones place. So how many beads? 1, 2, 3. Count again. 1, 2, 3. So which number will come here? Which number will come here? 3. 3. Now what is the next step? Our next step is that we have to count the number of beads given on tens place. So let us count the number of beads at tens place. Start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So which number will come? What is the place value of 6? Tens. Okay. So which number will form? 6, 3, 63. The number form is 6, 3, 63. Now let us write the number name of 63. So what is the spelling of 60? S-I-X-T-Y. 63. T-H-R-E-E-3. 63. Copy the C question from the board correctly. Now next question. D. You do the next question from the same page. Continue from the same page. Okay. Don't write this side. Now D. First I will draw the abacus. You, those who are writing C, you do copy from the board question number C. Done C question? Copied? Yes. Now the next question D. I have drawn abacus. I will give you time to draw the abacus in your copy. So first you see how to solve the question and then you copy it in your notebook. So what is the first step? Our first step is that we have to count the number of beads from ones place. Okay. So how many beads are there at ones place? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again count how many beads are there at ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which number will come this ones place? 5. 5. Okay. Now count how many beads are there at tens place. How many beads? 1, 2, 3. Count again. 1, 2, 3. So which number will come this side? 3. So which number is formed? The number here form is 3, 5, 35. 3, 5, 35. So write here 3, 5, 35. And next what we will write? We will write its number name. So 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 35. F-I-V-E 5. 35. Copy the question D from the board. I hope all of you had copied this question. See, so I am rubbing it. Okay, so have you written question D? Have you completed this question? Okay, now we will solve the next question E. We will solve the next question E. So, this is ones place, this is tens place. Okay, so what is our first step? Our first step is to count the number of beads at ones place. So, count how many beads are there at ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count again with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, number come here is 5. Now, what is our second step? Next step, that we have to count the number of beads at tens place. So, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, which number will come here? 4. 4. So, which number will form? 4, 5, 45. 4, 5, 45. Let's write its number name. F-O-R-T-Y. 40 and 5. F-I-V-T 5. 45. Copy this question from the board and copy correctly. All of you have copied. So, how many questions we have done? How many? A, B, C, D and E. That means 5 questions we have done and 3 questions are remaining. F, G and H. You have book na? So, look into your book. F, G and H. 3 questions are remaining. So, what is this is your today's homework. These 3 questions you do on your own. So, I am writing here homework. Okay. 5 questions we have already done. A, B, C, D and E. So, remaining 3. F, G and H. That is homework for you. आपको करना है, ठीक है? What is your homework? Page number 42. Question number 1. Which question? That just now we have done. Okay. So, question number 1. Which question you have to do? F, G and H. These 3 questions are homework for you. Okay. So, you do these 3 questions. Okay. I hope all of you have understood how to count beads on abacus and to form a new number. Okay, so for today this much is sufficient. Now today we will stop here and we will continue the second question in our next lecture. Okay, bye students.